Welcome to Tech Goods, the 5 best NGK Spark Plugs in 2026, helping you enhance your vehicle's efficiency and performance. From everyday driving to high-performance engines, these spark plugs deliver reliable ignition and long-lasting durability. Make sure to watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your car. Links in the description. Number 5. The NGK LKR7DX11S Iridium IX. Spark Plug is an exceptional choice for performance enthusiasts seeking reliable ignition and superior engine efficiency. This 4-pack of spark plugs is engineered with a 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip, providing outstanding durability and a consistently stable spark. This advanced design ensures extreme ignitability, resulting in quicker throttle response, smoother acceleration, and enhanced overall engine performance. The tapered ground electrode further reduces the electrical quenching effect, maximizing combustion efficiency. These spark plugs feature a longer insulator with corrugated ribs, which effectively prevents flashover and ensures stable performance under high temperatures. The triple gasket seal eliminates combustion gas leakage, contributing to better fuel efficiency and consistent power delivery. The iridium alloy construction offers a high melting point, making the spark plugs highly resistant to heat and electrical wear. This makes them ideal for today's high-performance engines that demand both strength and precision. The NGK LKR7DX11S also benefits from trivalent metal plating, which provides excellent anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, ensuring hassle-free installation and long-lasting reliability. With a 5/8-inch hex size and a 5K ohm resistor, these spark plugs are suitable for a wide variety of cars and trucks. Customers consistently praise these spark plugs for transforming engine performance, reporting smoother operation, improved throttle response, and increased reliability. For drivers who value performance, longevity, and efficiency, the NGK LKR7DX11S Iridium IX Spark Plug is a premium choice that delivers impressive results in both everyday driving and high-performance applications. Number 4. The NGK LKR7BX11S Iridium IX. Spark Plug is an outstanding option for anyone looking to enhance engine performance and reliability. This 4-pack of spark plugs is engineered with a 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip, providing exceptional durability and a stable, consistent spark. This design enables extreme ignitability, improving throttle response, and delivering smoother acceleration for both cars and trucks. The tapered ground electrode reduces electrical quenching, ensuring optimal combustion and maximizing engine efficiency. These spark plugs feature a longer insulator nose that prevents fouling, while the corrugated ribs on the insulator protect against flashover, ensuring consistent performance even in demanding driving conditions. The triple gasket seal effectively prevents combustion gas leakage, which contributes to fuel efficiency and stable power delivery. The iridium alloy construction has an extremely high melting point, offering remarkable resistance to heat and electrical wear, making these spark plugs ideal for modern high-performance engines that require durability and precision. Additionally, the trivalent metal plating provides excellent anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, simplifying installation and maintaining long-term reliability. With a thread size of M14 to 1.25 and a metal top, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide variety of vehicles. Users consistently report noticeable improvements in engine performance, describing smoother operation, increased power, and reliable fit. The NGK LKR7BX11S Iridium IX Spark Plug combines quality, durability, and performance, making it a premium choice for drivers who want to maintain or upgrade their vehicle's ignition system while ensuring long-lasting and dependable results. Number 3. The NGK No. 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs. TR5GP is an exceptional set of spark plugs designed to provide consistent performance and long-lasting durability for both cars and trucks. This 8-piece set utilizes platinum for the core and top material, ensuring superior strength and reliable ignition over extended periods of use. These spark plugs are engineered to operate over a much wider heat range than standard plugs, which allows them to maintain optimal performance in diverse driving conditions while reducing the risk of misfires and engine knock. One of the most notable features of the G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs is their resistance to carbon buildup and pre-ignition. This design helps maintain smoother engine operation, improves fuel efficiency, and enhances overall performance. The patented triple gasket sealing process further ensures that combustion gas leakage is eliminated, maintaining proper compression and reliable power output for consistent engine performance. With a thread size of 14.125 millimeters, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide variety of vehicles, making them versatile and convenient. Customer feedback highlights the benefits of this product, with many drivers reporting that their engines run like new. Spark knock is eliminated, and acceleration is smoother and more responsive. Overall, the NGK No. 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5GP offer a combination of advanced engineering, durable materials, and efficient design. For drivers seeking reliable ignition, enhanced performance, and long-term durability, this set of spark plugs represents an excellent investment for maintaining or upgrading any compatible vehicle's engine system. Number 2. The NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs LFR6AIX11, available in a 6-piece set, are engineered for drivers who demand reliable performance and long-lasting durability from their vehicle's ignition system. Featuring iridium as both the core and top material, these spark plugs provide exceptional strength and a stable, consistent spark, which is crucial for efficient engine operation. They are designed to perform across a wider heat range than standard spark plugs, making them suitable for a variety of driving conditions while reducing the risk of pre-ignition and misfires. One of the key advantages of these spark plugs is their ability to resist carbon buildup, ensuring that the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. The patented triple gasket sealing process prevents combustion gas leakage, maintaining proper compression and consistent power output. This feature enhances fuel efficiency, improves throttle response, and contributes to the overall longevity of the engine components. The NGK 6619 spark plugs have a thread diameter of 14 millimeters and a thread pitch of 1.25 millimeters, making them compatible with a wide range of cars and trucks. Users consistently highlight the combination of quality and affordability, noting that the plugs deliver dependable performance at a competitive price. For drivers seeking enhanced ignition performance, smoother engine operation, and long-term durability, the NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs LFR6AX11 are an excellent choice. They provide superior reliability, efficient combustion, and a consistent spark, making them a valuable addition to any vehicle maintenance routine. Number 1. The NGK 4469 LFR5AIX11 Iridium 9 Spark plug, sold in an 8-pack, is a premium choice for drivers seeking reliable ignition performance and long-lasting durability. Constructed with iridium at both the core and top, these spark plugs provide a consistently stable spark and exceptional resistance to heat and electrical wear. This ensures efficient combustion, smoother engine operation, and improved throttle response, making them suitable for both everyday driving and performance-oriented vehicles. These spark plugs are genuine NGK parts and include original packaging and hardware, guaranteeing authenticity and quality. They are designed as direct replacement auto parts, which simplifies installation and ensures a perfect fit for compatible vehicles. Users should confirm fitment using Amazon Confirmed Fit to ensure proper performance and compatibility. Iridium 9 technology provides extreme ignitability, reducing the likelihood of misfires and supporting smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. The robust construction and high-quality materials also contribute to the long lifespan of these spark plugs, making them a cost-effective choice for maintaining engine reliability over time. Customer feedback emphasizes the ease of installation and immediate performance benefits, with many noting that their trucks and cars ran more smoothly and efficiently after replacement. For anyone looking to enhance engine performance, maintain reliability, and ensure long-term durability, the NGK 4469 LFR5AIX11 Iridium 9 Spark Plug 8-pack is an excellent investment. It combines advanced design, durable materials, and proven engineering to deliver consistent, high-quality ignition performance for a wide range of vehicles. That wraps up our list of the 5 best NGK spark plugs in 2026. We hope this video helps you make an informed choice for smoother engine performance and greater reliability. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and the latest deals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews.